The world is rapidly changing, and our future depends on skilled, adaptable, and innovative agricultural professionals who can think and do. Agricultural employers are seeking individuals with strong interpersonal skills, technical knowledge, and practical experiences. The Food Animal Practicum is essential for equipping tomorrow's workforce. Tomorrow's workforce are the people who will create the future of the Food Animal Practicum, and they will future-proof our food system.
I see my role in the development of future food animal agriculture leaders in exposing them to things that they might not have been aware of. And so most of the students that I work with are very familiar with the on-farm activities of working with the animals, but I come in and kind of expose them to the processing side of things and the bringing that sort of animal agriculture full circle from on the farm to creating products that they're familiar with from seeing at a grocery store or restaurant or in other applications.
What I enjoy most about the Food Animal Practicum is being able to collaborate with people across disciplines, whether that be in academia, industry, extension, even students themselves. This has been very valuable and rewarding.
NC State, they prepare you very well for the real world, and getting those real world experiences through internships has really prepared me to have a successful career in agriculture.
I think everyone should have a basic knowledge of what agriculture is and how they use it in their daily lives. As agricultural workers, that is definitely a responsibility of ours.
Coming to NC State and majoring in ag science has allowed me to take a variety of classes that have really helped in the food animal industry and helped me grasp a better understanding of it, from crop science to animal science classes into even extension and educational classes. They all kind of work together to put a highlight on the food animal system.
I think internships and practicums will be really important for these students because, like me, I did not grow up on a farm, and I gained a lot of my experience with animals while I was in college working on the farms at the university. And that was really important to understand those hands-on, what it actually takes to make a farm work. You can only teach so much in a classroom and through books, but until you actually do it and see it on the farm and do it yourself, you don't really understand.
My manager this past summer, he really allowed me to see every aspect of the hatchery in such a deep and meaningful way, which is really interesting to go out to the farms and see how the breeder farms work and just be there with them. Just being able to be so hands-on with quite literally every department in the hatchery, that was such a meaningful thing for me.
They get to learn about the industry, they get to ask questions, and they get the basic knowledge before going into their career that I think will really set them a step above.
The Food Animal Practicum provides students an opportunity to apply the theories and the knowledge that they're learning in the classroom.
It's important that the students get to go through this practicum so they learn the real hands-on and the real work that it takes to raise these animals. And I think that this is where they're really going to be able to shine and gain that experience.
A strong and resilient food system begins with people. NC State graduates are well prepared to think and do while contributing and leading with this high impact experience, allowing them to be leaders and contributors to this very valuable industry.
Go Pack!